fire that could have been much more devastating than in a heat. We had over 300 hay bales in our barn lot, which were 150 feet north of a row of cedar trees in our home. The wind was blowing 30 miles an hour south. Bales, of course, set the pasture on fire, and it was also burning back toward our house. We would like to take this opportunity to thank all of the Woodward and area firefighters that came to our rescue so quickly on Sunday afternoons for the victory. Firefighters from Woodward, Fargo, Sharon, and Gage were on the grass fire and had it out in no time. The hay bales were a different story. The Woodward Fire Department took that firestorm head on. We know Kevin Dixon wanted us to express how much the firefighters appreciated Woodward County District Number 2 Commissioner Ted Craighead and his road crew members Robin and Lynn. They brought in a large front end loader and would scoop up the burning hay and take it out to the already burnt pasture where it would be able to burn itself out. The Woodward firefighters would hose down the tires and hydraulics on the front end loader twice as it went from the barn lot to the pasture, and again as it would come back from the mass of burning hay in the pasture. Now listen, the most well orchestrated event you could ever witness. The Woodward firefighters and the District 2 workers continued working this way until around 4 a.m. Monday morning. Without the efforts of all these brave men, we might have lost our mind. Early Monday morning, Kevin Dixon was back, fresh from probably about 2 hours of sleep, with the Woodward grass rig, making sure everything was okay. Thank you so much to the Woodward firefighters, Kevin Dixon, Darren Nichols, Justin Hemtree, Kyle Pribble, Doug Walker, and District 2 Commissioner Ted Craighead, and District 2 road crew members Robin Francis and Lynn Griffith. Without the efforts of all these brave men, we